Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. So I have 5 minutes to tell you about these products. Despite the fact that these products have been on the market for some time now, I still want to tell you guys about the product and my opinion on these products. But on a whole, Mia Secret is just a great brand on itself. Okay, so if you're new here, first time here, go ahead and subscribe if you wish. Tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week every week. And also follow me on my Instagram. And I also want to give a big shout out to persons who have subscribed to my channel recently, and also persons who have been commenting. So I really do appreciate y'all. Continue showing me the love, but I really do appreciate it. So if you guys are not familiar with Mia Secret is just a good brand. I always wanted to try product from them, but I was a bit hesitant, being in on YouTube showcasing my channel. Was kind of in my box. I didn't want to do any outside stuff, and once I kind of got those, those viewings all over, I kind of was like, okay, right, I'm not that bad, so let me try other person's product. So I'm opening to getting products from any company, really. Yeah, so this is the Fruity collection. If you guys aren't aware, it's also on Amazon, so go and purchase if you're just starting out. I mean, this kit is ideal. It has 12 acrylic colors, and I think this is 1/4 ounce. Yeah, so it's not much in the container, but it's enough for a startup. So the first one that I did was red apple. Very, I don't have any fault with that. Good application, consistency, was very melted, just good. Then I did the black. The black was, black is regular. Who goes wrong with black? Black was just black. Black is always good. So I went on to using grape. Swatching grape. Grape gave me some marbling. It was a little bit opaque. You kind of did have to build the color to kind of get the color that you wanted. I was expecting, much from this color. I was expecting a lot based on what's in the container. I was expecting a lot. So then I'll go in with coffee. Coffee was one of my favorite colors from this batch. Very, I don't want to say it's very pastel, but it's not very pastel either. But it was a great color. Application was good. Coverage was wonderful. Now I'm taking citrus. Citrus, is a regular color that everybody wants in the collection, and I'm really happy that I got this here. Not much marbling happened. I mean, I tried mixing colors like these, but I get marbling for some strange reason. I don't know why, but I'll get to the bottom of that. Now I'm taking cake. Cake is a pinkish color that was giving me, marbling, but it wasn't a big deal. I mean, eventually it kind of dissolved, so afterwards when it dried, you didn't really see any marbling effect happening, so that was a plus. Then I'll be taking banana, which was very strange. When I saw the container, I was like, this does not represent banana. This is the type of colors that give you trust issues. Yeah. So what this color represents is mango, and this was one of my favorite colors. But anyways, this is how they wanted to name the color banana. That was banana. So now I'm going in with ice cream. Ice cream was good. It was a good pink. I didn't have any marbling. The application was well done. One ball, and it was gushy. So then I'll be taking orange. Orange is just a regular color like citrus. Nothing wrong with it. It's a color that everybody wants in them collection. No marbling. Application was good. Yeah. Consistency was great. So yeah, nothing bad to say about. The truth is that I did not see anything wrong with this collection. I mean, some of you guys are like, yo, this collection has been out here for a while. There has been a lot of views, but I want to make a swatch video. Okay, so I know I'll be taking blueberry. Blueberry I was a little bit disappointed in, because if you guys know, blueberry is a little bit darker, and when I did my my first ball, it was a little bit opaque on the opaque side, which I was like, nah. But at the end of the day, it's a building color, so it is what it is. I can definitely build blueberry. So now I'm going in and taking lemon. Yes, lemon is a color that you guys want to have in your batch. These three bright colors you want are the citrus, the orange, and the lemon. Three colors that you definitely know people will, go for. Wasn't a problem with the lemon. One bead application, fine, good stuff. Then I'll be taking tea tree. Is it tea tree? I think it's tea tree. Yeah. Green tea. Thank God that I put the covering on there. So I'll be taking green tea. Green tea is one of my favorite colors in this batch here. Very, 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 very beautiful color. I really love it. Three colors I definitely like from this batch. Definitely do like is coffee, banana, and green tea. I love them all. So for the conclusion for this collection here is that all of them, they were good, great products, and I am excited that I bought them. So yeah, nothing, went bad. I mean, every acrylic has its problems, but this here was good. So these are my swatch sticks. If you guys do like my swatch sticks, my ratchet swatch sticks, my DIY swatch sticks, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, ensure that you follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope you guys have an awesome day, because I'll try to have an awesome day myself. And I'll see you guys in the next video.